What is up, my dudes? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Jesse, and just in case you're new here, I go hunting for Hot Wheels every single day, and then I crack them open right here on Daily Diecast, my YouTube channel. Today's episode is themed. We're going to be doing all black cars. Black cars are my favorite. I've had a couple in my day, and we're going to get started with this Silverado right here. Now this one they call the Trail Boss. I have this one in white also, but when I saw it in black, I just had to pick it up. Let's crack it open and let's look at it in more detail. There we go, nice black enamel paint. We got Beltec in red, white tamp on the side. We got some gray bead locker wheels. Got a nice white tempo on the hood. Ooh, it has side view mirrors, which I like very much. No headlight or taillight detail, but it's all good. We'll just assume they're blacked out. There's the black plastic base for those who are curious. And I'll be happy to add that to my truck and SUV section. Let's put it right there for now. And the next one up is this very cool casting of the Datsun Bluebird Wagon. I have one other one of these from the satin and gold. I think it's what the set is called. Not really sure. But this one is a lot cooler, I think. I like Momo products. I never actually had any, but my girlfriend back in high school, she had a Momo shift lever on her Prelude. And I think she might have had a Momo steering wheel at one point also. But yeah, let's go ahead and crack it open and take a look. Oh, that sample is pretty clean. Got nice black wheels with a yellow lip. Got red interior, left-hand drive. You can see the shifter pretty well. In fact, you can see them there real easily because this car is mostly window and these ones are rolled down. Oh, that's awesome. Got the Momo Tampo all the way down, all the top. Got a red lip. It looks like an oil cooler. Very cool. I dig that. I thought that said Jinko there for a second. That's funny. And then there's the back. Oh, yeah. So it's definitely the same casting because I noticed last time it has this little tab instead of a rivet back here. And then there is the red plastic base in case you're curious. Cool little casting. I like that one quite a bit, actually. Put it right there next to the truck. Let's put these like so. All right, next one up. Now, I heard Mike Zarnock say that this is a pretty popular casting, so I went on eBay to see what they're selling for, and he's right. They sell between like $7 and $12 for one of these. Pretty crazy. When I picked this one up, there was like 5 or 6 on the pegs. But again, I never buy duplicates. I'm not a reseller. I left them there for other collectors. But yeah, this is a pretty cool casting. It's really big. It's a big car. I had a friend in high school who had a car just like this, as a matter of fact. I think it's the same year and everything. Very cool. Let's crack it open and take a look. Ooh, this one doesn't want to come out. Come on, little fella. There we go. All right, there it is. I mean, we're talking solid black enamel. Awesome. Almost no tampo at all. We do have the Impala logo right there. You can barely see it in silver. And then Impala SS right there as well. Yeah, no tail light detail. No side view mirrors. Oh, we do have a little bit of headlight detail and the bow tie. But also, I mean, I think it's cool. All black interior, so it's really hard to see. But I think it's cool, but I have no idea why it would sell for that much. It's not that detailed. Not much going on, really. I mean, it's cool. I like it. I'm happy to add it to the collection, but I wouldn't pay more than $1. Anyway, that's a cool one. We'll put it right there for now. And finally, my favorite. You know me. Had to get the Countach. That's the faded blue card. Collector number 768. Super old school. There's the top. And let's take a look at the back, just in case some of you guys are curious. Just had some advertisements for the track. Wow, I wish I had a track like that. Look at that, it's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 boosters. Awesome. Possibly 6. But that is awesome. I would love to have one of those. And it looks like this is from 1997. So a 23-year-old car about to be added to the wall. Sorry to make some of you guys cringe, but I don't keep them in packages. I don't get the point of that. I am not into that whatsoever. I want to be able to take a look at the car. And again, this one is just like the Impala in the sense that it is all black. No tampos whatsoever. No headlight or taillight detail. They didn't really do that back in the day. We got the 5-dot wheels, as I call them, Lamborghini wheels. As you can see from both the cars in the background, that's pretty much what they came with. There's the red interior. And like all the 25th anniversary Countach's has the Hot Wheels symbol right there, which I think is pretty cool. I am into that. You can see the shifter right there. This car is awesome. And this one has a plastic base. See Countach right there. Made in Malaysia. Wow. I'm so stoked. I love this car. I love Countach's. If I'm being honest, I can't decide which I like better, the 25th anniversary or the LP500S. Now, in Hot Wheels, I think I like the LP500S better. In like more expensive die-cast, like Auto Art or, you know, stuff like that, I think I like the 25th anniversary better. But I'm kind of bummed it doesn't have the wing. I guess that's one of the main things all the LP500s do, and so far that I've seen, all the 25th anniversaries do not. Fun fact, it was a $5,000 option to get that wing back in the day. But man, I'm really stoked with all these 4 black beauties. And there they are. There's all today's cars, all 4 lined up, looking wonderful. I would like to thank each and every one of you that watched this video. And if you're into Hot Wheels content, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. I would appreciate that. And don't forget to like the video. And I will see you guys tomorrow.